If you don't act now, you will have big problems. And I will tell you exactly why. Most people don't understand this. Most people don't think about this, but you will have really, really major problems. You know the Strait of Hormuz is closed. You know that people now say, oh, that's so bad, the gas is more expensive, the gallon costs so much, and the airplane tickets will rise. But that's not the real problem. You know what's the real problem? Nobody gets this. And please put me a comment and tell me, hey, I have never seen this before, I have never heard this, or put me, hey, everybody's talking about it. Okay, please. You know what they are producing with crude oil, from crude oil? Fertilizer. So that means there is a huge underproduction of fertilizer. All the food that you got in your grocery store, wherever you live, somehow comes from maybe Latin America, Asia, the country that very cheap can produce food, grow food. Yeah, some from your own country, whatever. Anyway, if it's from your own country or not. But now there is a lack of fertilizer. That means that the next harvest will be very bad, or maybe there will be no harvest. The small amount of food that will be still available will rise up so much in price that few people can pay it. All your money, if you don't lose your job and you don't lose your income stream because of AI, because of whatever, if you keep your job, all your money will be spent on food. And even there will be, you will be in problems. So what's the solution? The solution is start to make money. Start to make money. There's plenty ways of making money. For example, I will create now a skill that you can import to Claude. Claude is a free service. You can pay for it, but you can also use it for free. I will show you in the next video exactly how to do it. I have created a skill that can trade for you. Yeah, I know, sounds a little fishy, but trust me on this. Please trust me on this. You can connect your exchange, whatever exchange. You use Bybit? Okay, use Bybit. Weeks, whatever. You can connect your exchange and you can just let the AI take decisions for you, analyzing market. Hey, how is the dollar? How is the yield, the 10 years yield? Hey, how is Bitcoin? Hey, that. He's doing everything for you. And then you can say, hey, you know what? Whenever you see a good chance for trading a coin, risk $50 and make $100 every single time. Let's say in the end of the day, he made 10 trades. You don't even realize it, 10 trades. And let's say it's a regular system. So he loses half and he wins half. It's not very good, no? It's regular. But then he won 500 and he lost 250. So he would make still 250, doing nothing, drinking mineral water here in front of the beach like me. Are you making $250 in your job, in what you're doing right now? No? So maybe it would be a good idea to listen, right? So, in the next video, I will show you exactly how to import a skill. It's just one click. Okay? Yeah, you need an exchange account, and yeah, we have certain deals, very good deals where you get the deposit bonus and trustful exchange. Because imagine you got your AI trade for you and then you use it in a scammy exchange and you lose your money. It doesn't make sense. So we work with the best exchange in the world. And even though this system, you will have it absolutely for free. Okay? You don't have to pay a single cent. In the next video, I give you the exact description, step by step, how to do it. I'm working with somebody who is, for me, the best algo trader in the world. He got 1.5 million followers. He's only talking about his AI systems. So I think he knows what he's talking about. David Tech, you guessed it. And we together have put this system together. And trust me, the results are scary. It feels like cheating. feels like cheating because you're doing nothing and you're making money, you know, and you're able to. It's like it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Right? Just made some videos, and the coffee here is delicious, delicious. You can enjoy life. You can enjoy life, whatever. Or maybe you say, "Oh no, I don't like the beach. I want to stay in my home." Yeah, you can do it. But you don't have to rely on one single income stream. That's your work. In the morning, you listen to the alarm clock. Beep, 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 beep. Maybe you go with the bus. You have people like squeezing you, you know. Maybe you're tired of this. Or maybe you have a lot of money. You have a good job, but you say, you know what? I don't like it anymore. I'm burned out. Whatever. You know, I can show you a little bit. Look here. Tell me what you think. Is this okay for you? Is this something you could work with? What do you think? Is it okay? I mean, somehow, right? Not the best, but yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Do you agree? Okay. So, what you have to do? I will leave you here a link. In this link, I think it's maybe a little bit, it's good. It's good. In this link, you just enter into my group. You ask, hey, I want the skill. I want the trading skill. There will be a tutorial how it will take you like 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and from this moment, you have an AI trading for you, scanning the market 24/7, never get tired, never get sick. He's working for you. And then you are one of this person to say, oh, I use AI to make money. Oh, I got rich because I use AI, eventually, you know? So go into the group and comment about the fertilizer, what I have told you. Did somebody tell you this before? Did somebody talk about this? Did you hear it somewhere that in 6 to 12 months we will have big problems? I would really like to know what you think. And yeah, see you in the next video.